We just got home from Minnesota. We won the race out there. We drove straight home, 18 hours straight. Just pulled up at the house, hadn't seen home in 3 weeks, and can't stop yet. The motor in the car's got 60 runs on it. I normally only put 50. Never gonna swap motors. We're gonna put my spare in it and take the one that we've been running out because that's such a good running motor. We don't want to tear it up. And so today, as soon as we get home, changing motors, changing the rear gear, putting the car back in the trailer, and hopefully we can relax 2 days before we head to Houston. Nitrous cars is heavy, man. Thing you don't learn about. We use raising this. Take the damn door. Hot down here. Yeah.
How the f is that way?
Yeah, you're fucking with it.
Science.
Simple arithmetic, my dear. Yeah. They take for a few of these.
They don't like that, then it's going crazy. Well, we know we got a fire. Oh, we'll fix it. Sound kind of mean, but I don't want to run. So what we learned today is Zane is too weak to get an axle out by himself. He can't pick a center section up by himself. He thinks the motor is supposed to take bug wash instead of water. So other than that, he's doing pretty good. If he just work on his speed, I think he's going to be a pretty good crew guy. So we'll let y'all know how it turns out. So we changed the motor, we changed the gears. We don't have our favorite motor in for Houston, but we're gonna do the best we can do. And we're gonna have like 6 weeks off, so that little motor right there is about to catch hell. We're gonna give it all that it takes this weekend. And try to win. But that's just how it goes out here. I mean, you win a race, you drive 18 hours home, you gotta come home, take the motor out, take the rear end apart, and it never stops. But that's what we do, that's what we like to do. It's supposed to be fun, so y'all stay tuned. We'll let y'all know how we do in Houston.